Why would a hippo let a bird drink its blood? Because in the wild, survival often looks strange. Meet the oxpecker, a bird that acts like a doctor. It lands on hippos, rhinos, giraffes, feasting on ticks, parasites, and even dead tissue from wounds. By cleaning infections, oxpeckers help prevent deadly diseases, and they're not just healers, they're early warning systems too. When a predator approaches, oxpeckers scream, alerting their giant hosts long before danger strikes. Which would you prefer, an annoying helper or deadly infection?